Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna open up this Marnie Champions Path premium collection box. I was able to find this at a local Target. Usually these sell out pretty fast, but I was able to get a few of these. I'm gonna open up just one right now. We have one that's actually kind of open when we bought it, so you know how they said so stupid superstitions that open box might bring you some good luck. So let's see if it does. It's my first time actually opening up Pokemon cards. I mean, I played the game before on my telephone, so on my cell phone, and it's pretty cool. So now let's see if I can recognize some of these characters. Let's see what we got. So you can ignore those cards in the back. We have, I believe there's 8 packs in here of Champions Path, and usually those run about anywhere between $5 to $8 a pack, so that's pretty good value you're getting back already. And then this is a Morpeko promo card, and these are going for probably like about $1 to $2 on eBay. Also with the Grimmsnarl. These also going for about $1 to $2. Also with the pin, these are probably going to $1. But the cool thing is with this pack, you also get this play mat right here with this cool artwork of Marnie. So normally these run about 15-20 bucks, but this comes with the pack, so you probably getting if you calculate it, you're probably getting your money's back already. Usually these collection packs they go for about $50. So I'm not sure if you can see this. Okay. That's pretty cool, right? So that comes with it. I'll put this on to the side. Alright, let's check the promo cards. Hopefully I don't break it or ruin the card in any way. So let's see if it pops up easily. Oh! That didn't work. Alright. So you look on corners. Looks pretty centered. If you think about sending it in, I'm not sure if you want to send this card in, but that's pretty cool artwork on that. There's more Pico. So it's pretty cool. All right, set this aside. And I'll just grab our packs right here. Be careful with this one. This one's taped on, the first pack. Some people tend to collect maybe the packs because of the artwork, so I will not. And there's a code if you guys need that. You can always subscribe or come visit our channel, and I will provide you with a free code if you need it. Whoever collects those. Alright, so I'll take these out. Cool, got that taken care of. Let's see how we can get this pinned out. Oh, it just pops right out. Alright, so set the box aside. And I don't know, whoever wants these pins, hit me up, message me, DM me, and then I'll send these out to you guys. I mean, I have no use for these pins. Alright, so let's start with the packs. And here we go. Alright, so I believe what we're looking for is, the ultra rares, the shiny Charizard. So those are going for a pretty high price right now, so if I send those in. Right, I'll put this code card out, and I believe watching all these YouTubers that they've been breaking these cards, I believe they go 4 cards from the back, and then they just put it right there in the front, and then they leaves like the rare cards in the back. Hey, Kakuna, I know Kakuna. Energy, Beedrill, Rotom Bike, Hyper Potion, Trubbish, Hatina, Inkay, Weedle, Absol, and the rare card, Hollow Marnie. Oh, cool. Not sure how much this card is going for, but I think there's some demand on this one. So you set this side with the promo card. I'm not sure which one's rare, which one's not, how you guys can tell. I'm still kind of learning from this. I usually don't collect Pokemon cards. I just do it for fun, actually, as a hobby. Here's the code card. There you go. Champion's Path. All right, second pack. I usually normally collect sports cards, mainly basketball and football. You know, been collecting ever since I was a kid, you know, in the late 80s, and that's the time when cards weren't that great. You know, they were called junk cards. There's too many of them. They got over flooded, so it wasn't that good time to collect. All right, so Linuni, Energy, Sonia, hey good, Kaboo, Beating, Carvanha. You know, if I don't know the names, you know, hit me up, you know, help me out, because I'm not really good at pronouncing these characters. Swablu, Sizzlipede, Weedle, and oh, Zygarde. I believe this one's a good card. And he's crafty. All right, those are my two hollow, what's it called, hollow, I believe. Hollow or rare cards. Alright, so that's pack number 2. This is pack number 3 now out of 8. I'll try to go as fast as I can, guys, so bear with me. Alright, Hatina. Oh, I forgot to do the code card, sorry. There we go. So the previous pack, the code card, there you go. And this current pack, right? And this is the cards right here. All right, I have Hatina, Energy, another Sonia, another Kaboo. Oh, it's almost like the previous pack, huh? BD, Rockruff, a Potion, Pokeball, Carvanha, Purloin, and Altaria. Cool. I mean, these must be like really new. I mean, I don't see any of these characters when I'm playing the game. So I actually stopped playing the game for a while. I just started recently picking it back up. So, you know, during the COVID time, just kind of trying to stay away, trying to stay home most of the time, right? So, code card. There you go. All right, 4 cards from the back. Zigagoon, Energy, Absol, Rotom, Machoke, Rockruff, Full Heal, Scraggy, Ekans, this is Milo, and Professor's Research. Yes. All right. Halfway through, guys. Whew. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Didn't do much around the house, mostly football today, you know, so. Here you go, code card. 4 cards from the back. Let's see, Purloin, Energy, Milo, Arbok, Beatty, Machop, Nickit, Trubbish, Hatina, and a Center Scorch. And the rare card, Machamp. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe for more free codes. New contents come out. I'll try to do it like every week or so. I'm getting more products in every day, so there you go. Code card. Feel free to use those. All right, so we have a full heal, energy, rodent bike, hyper potion, Lightbird, roly-coly, Machop, Sizzlipede, a Pokeball, a shiny energy with some scratches on it, and Obstagoon. Well, these look pretty cool, huh? Two more packs. This first card is a Nickit. Code card. There you go. Nickit. Energy. Kaboo. Team Yell Grunt. Sorry if I'm moving around a lot. I'm not used to this camera yet, so bear with me. Hatina. Swablu. Scraggy. Carvanha. Hop. And another Obstagoon. Last pack, guys. Last pack. Almost there. If you guys have any suggestions, like what cards good to get, what packs are good, let me know. I'll try to get some and open it up. You know, so I'm always looking to learn new characters, especially since I start playing Pokemon again. There you go. Don't need that. Okay, saw this one. Right, energy. The Great Ball. Absol, Victini, Sizzlipede, Hatina, another Nickit, Inkay, Fire Energy, and a Professor's Research. So nothing really out of, you know, spectacular. No Charizard, no Pikachu, no rares. I mean, no super rare. So just go back. Professor's Research, Obstagoon, two of them, Machamp, another Professor's Research, Altaria, Scrafty. I think Marnie is actually a decent price card. And these are the promo code cards, Morpeko and Grimmsnarl. So that's all I have for today. I'll probably pick some more packs open tomorrow. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like our videos, leave a comments. You want to see something different or something I can improve on my video, that'd be appreciated. And I'll see you next time. Good night.